In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to resolve issues with the character.ai app. If you are experiencing difficulties with the app's functionality, this video will provide a comprehensive solution. Begin by accessing the Settings application on your device. Subsequently, select the General option, which will direct you to a dedicated page. Scroll down slightly and click on iPhone Storage. Locate the character.ai app by scrolling down and tap on it. Proceed by selecting Offload App and then reaffirm your selection by clicking Offload App once more. After a brief interval, click the blue button that appears. This action will initiate the automatic loading and updating of the character.ai app to its most recent version. Kindly exercise patience as the update process is completed. Upon completion of the update, return to the character.ai app and your problem should be fixed.